Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. Let's start our journey with me. This is DIMPAL'S. Today, we are going to read about a very interesting and microscopic unit of any organism. Why we call this microscopic? Because you can't see this with unaided eye. Let's start with me. This unit is called cell. Cell is considered as smallest structural and functional unit of any organism. We can compare cell to a atom. Like an atom is smallest unit of any substance. Similarly, the cell is smallest unit of an living being. Now coming to the interesting story behind the discovery of cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke was observing a slice of water bottle cork which was obtained from the bark of tree, and what he noticed, there was a honeycomb like structure, and in honeycomb everyone have seen the hexagonal compartments. Those are combined to each other, that the particular one hexagonal compartment he named as cell. The Latin meaning of cell was the smallest and insufficient room, and I think why he called as cell. But interestingly, the cell which Robert Hooke was discovered was a dead cell. But this event is very historic in nature and gave birth a new branch of science which is called cytology. The cytology is branch of science in which we read and study about the cell. After this discovery, people become curious about know much more about cell. But unfortunately, that time the microscope are not so much developed. So almost about 150 years after the discovery of Robert Hooke, very little was known about cell. In 1674, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek first time discovered a living cell. And why he called this cell as a living cell? Because he watched some motion in that cell. This is the story behind discovery of cell. Now coming to the size of cell. How many types of cell and what are the size of cell? Mostly cell are of spherical in size, but some are of different size. Like this is a picture of amoeba. Amoeba is irregular in shape. Similarly, the WBC are also irregular in shape. This is a picture of paramecium, and this is a picture of red blood cell, and this is neuron cell of human body. We can see here, even in a human body, not every cell are not same in size. Now coming to some facts about size of cells. The largest known cell of the earth is ostrich egg cell, whose dimension is 170 mm into 130 mm. And the smallest cell is mycoplasma or bacteria, whose dimension is 0.1 to 0.5 micron, and 1 micron equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Now coming to the number of cells. Every organism does not made up of same number of cells. According to the number of cells, we can divide the organism in two parts: unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organism. Unicellular organism are having only one cell, but in spite of having only one cell, can you imagine they perform every action which a multicellular organism performs. Those are respiration, growth, digestion, excretion, and reproduction. Now coming to the multicellular organism. Can you imagine a multicellular organism contains how many number of cells? Those are much more than the number of stars in our galaxy. But one interesting thing in multicellular organism, almost every multicellular organism starts their journey of life from a single cell, which was a fertilized egg cell. Now, after the number of cells, coming to the types of cell. What are the types of cell? There are two types of cell: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. I made two pictures. This is a prokaryotic cell and this is a eukaryotic cell. This is prokaryotic. Pro means primitive and karyotic means cell, means primitive and premature cell. These cells are come first in the process of evolution, and this is eukaryotic cell. Eu means true and karyotic means cell. Eukaryotic cells are considered as the true cell, and both cells are composed of three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. And this is here: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. What are the difference between them? We will see in next class. Thank you.